everyone, so this is me Riya Sharma from City Shore. So this is a beautiful store called the Circle Hub, and as you can see the new arrivals for Diwali collection is live. Starting rate is only 1000 से start हो जाता है इनका पूरा collection. So I've shown you the entire collection. All you have to do is swipe left, check the caption for more details. Hello everyone, this is me Riya Sharma. So we are at a store called the Circle Hub. And मैंने पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मेंशन कर दिया द एड्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग. नाउ देयर स्टार्टिंग रेंज इज ओनली 1000 rupees and they are newly launching the Diwali collection. So what all do they have in Diwali collection? Let's start with that. So they have like beautiful 3-piece sets पूरा हैंड वर्क के साथ. Lovely दुपट्टास पूरे heavy रहेंगे. So for me, I celebrate Karwa Chauth, so this is going to be very very helpful. Again 3-piece sets, beautiful color options and sizes till 3XL. Look at this. So all the sizes आपको मिल जाएंगे 3 से 3XL तक. कलर ऑप्शन में आपको मोस्टली सारे ही दिखा रही हूँ. What all they have. Look at this. Now if you want to go more comfortable, so I would like you to suggest muslin sets, 3-piece sets, पूरा beautiful lightweight दुपट्टा के साथ. These are all printed and इसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत काम किया हुआ है. So this is muslin 3-piece set. इसमें we have lot of variety. Again 3XL तक आपको मिल जाएगा. Color options में दिखा देती हूँ. We have light blue with like a nice Swarovski work, printed green, pastel colors. Then we have in blues and whites. Look at this. It's very comfortable, very lightweight. Perfect for any occasion. Moving on to some quad sets here in cotton. We have again beautiful quads that you can opt. जैसे आपको अगर long में चाहिए, something like this in printed, and something up and down style, पूरा bright color में quads. A dress style. Look at this. Full length dress. इसके भी नीचे pants आएगी. And then my favorite are these two actually. You can opt for any. So two of my favorite pieces, something very different और comfortable भी रहेगा for like your vacation, everyday outdoor, lunch, brunch, kitty parties, a jacket style. Look at this, पूरा कांथा जैसा work है, like all the thread work. And it's a 3-piece set. इसके अंदर ऐसे कुछ आएगा with pants, and we have 2 color options of that. This is in the range of 4000. Now let's move on to more affordable pieces. So these are some nice plain kurtas. Starting from 1300, 1200. First we're going to be showing off पूरा कलमकारी में. 3 color options in that. Floral in bani. Now these are my particularly favorite, all plains. Very versatile. बहुत बार आप पहन सकते हो. Nice fabric. Mehndi green color. Look at that. Then if you want something different, lilac and haldi color. Now let's move on to dresses. Again starting price around 1300, 1000, starting from only 1000. So we have beautiful dresses. Sanganeri prints, bright colors. Jaipuri print, आपको पता ही है, easy to wash. Then we have something like that. Collars के साथ चाहिए. And just starting from 1000, I think it's a good gifting options also. Look at this. A very different cut and pattern. Pastel colors, again Sanganeri prints. As you can see, I love it too. And if you want a little subtle colors, you can offer that. And this is all floor length, so you don't have to really wear anything. नीचे आप पहन भी सकते हो. Moving on to some bright colors. Look at that. Done. Pastel colors dresses. Look at that. This is in range of 2000, 2500. Best material. Look at the work. This is all hand work again. And sizes, like I said, आपको मिल जाएंगे. So don't worry about that. So पूरा pearl work के साथ different works. Spaghetti में. If you want something in spaghetti, nice pastel shades. थोड़ा 2 shades में. Peach. Look at that. Then moving on to nice quad sets that you can wear for like your offices, work mein. Personally my favorite. Nice. What fabric is this?
This is raw silk.
Raw silk. Look at this. And it comes with inners and thoda sa easy breezy nice look के साथ. Then we have one more color option in it. This is blue.
Gachi silk.
This is in pure gaji silk. That's the back. Those are the pants. Again a cord set. Then this is another cord set. Let's go a little heavy now. So we have a nice anarkali like this. This is a beautiful dupatta. And those are the pants. Pretty set. A cord set with palazzo. पूरा printed nice fabric के साथ. Colorful, bright. Personally my favorite color and color of the season, which is purple. You can wear a two-piece set like this. And I love how they are shaped. It goes really well with your body suit. Look at that. This is another one printed with palazzo. A nice designer piece it looks. Very pretty. Black for all the black lovers. So I'm gonna show of course one black. Look at that. Nice lace and all, everything used. And the last one is also a printed one. Look at the neck. Look at the sleeve. Full handwork, and those are the pants. It will look something like this. थोड़ा सा हट के, if you want non-traditional set, this is one of my favorite piece in pure अजरक में. So you wear it like this. Nice fancy अगर कोई पार्टी है या फिर pool side party, so you can wear out for that. Again something traditional, nice. This is also another outfit we have in bright red color. This is another one. Then we have something like this with shirt. That's the dhoti skirt. Look at that, purely draped. Now also for formal function. So this is something very formal if you want, like a jacket style. Look at this, long way. Also for the Gen Zs, bright colors, different cuts. No dupatta look. You don't need actually a dupatta with this. And look at the blouse cut we have. This is again all handwork. Haldi outfit, Indo-Western style with nice belt. It's a very pretty color, pura mehndi color mein. Again another drape. And पूरा clamp print के साथ है ये. Look at this. This is how you can drape it. Clamp print में. And the last one here we have picked is something again Indo-Western. पूरा handwork detailing के साथ. That's the yoke. And this is a kaftan style, one side, and the sleeve the other side. Done. So shirts for all occasion. Pants के साथ पहन सकते हैं, cargos के साथ पहन सकते हैं, something nice denim के साथ पहन सकते हैं. तो what all can you wear? So my personal pics में दिखाती हूँ something like this, and you can tie it according to your size. Then we have something in corduroy. Again two-piece set, very nice with blazer. Pure linen. Pure linen, very different touch. Then nice designer piece. Then we have bright color options. Look at that. And the range starts from 1200 to 2500.